Hello guys. Sorry for being now. Today I feel like a little bit sick, but it's okay though. And today we're being back to our good old Super Padz. In the last Super Padz video, I was doing a practice mode, but this time, thankfully, there's this hat thing where it can show us how we can do it 100% perfect time. So today, I'm going to do it again. Last time was practice mode, but this time, I'm going to do it with, like, I know how to do it, but I'm just going to use the education. I'm not going to do it, like, using all of these buttons like that. I don't want to do with this. I want to go with the education thing, and I will tell us what to do. By the way, shout out to the Chaninsmokers for creating Closer the Chaninsmokers, because this video is going out to you. Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Wait, my volume is in the middle. Okay, here we go. Oops. Oh, God, it's an ad. Sorry, guys, but it was just an ad, and I don't want to show it. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so this is for my video, but I only now have to make 2 videos every week, just because of school. I have to make 5 days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I have to, can't make videos because I have homework to do, because I'm so close now to going to middle school, so that's why I'm doing it. And on Friday and Saturday, I can make videos every day. Like on Friday, I can make a Roblox video. On Saturday, I can make a Super Padz video. So that was it for the Kid Pop Hit song. Or I should say, Closer the Chainsmokers song. If you enjoyed it, just give it a like and thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.